Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 68 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions and get the answers straight from the Yak's mouth. And there's a lot of questions, normally 1,200 or more. So we read through those questions and find the cool, the funny, the weird answers and dispel the myths and all that right here. So on today's episode, we're talking about faster to the fun, very popular topic, late night dining, Circle C, family, harbor, and priority, and turning 21 mid-cruise? Ooh, that's a good one. All right, question one. John had said that Faster to the Fun was open for their cruise, but this person was unable to find it on Carnival's website. John said that's because it is under excursions. You need to log into your booking and you will find it there. He did say that sometimes you have to clear your cache and your cookies to see it. So, little IT tip from John there. Clear your cache and cookies if you can't see it, but it is under your booking. It's not on their regular website. This cruiser said, with the new late night dining, is it effective now? What time is it? And where is it? And is it every ship? John said he likely meant the late night snacks. It's not exactly dining. And yes, it is on every ship. It is on the Lido deck from 11 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. Trust me, we know. We do it a lot. It's really good, actually. And we did find that they did have it at Pig and Anchor on the Excel class ships. So, yes, it's on Lido. And on the Excel class, it's at Pig and Anchor. And it's really good, and we like the late night buffet. It's got some cool snacks, a little bit of everything. It's delicious. Speaking of liking things, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question 3. Is Circle C on every ship, or is it just select ones? They did not see it in the activities when they were looking at a particular cruise. Side note, Circle C is for younger teens. It's kind of a hangout place, and it's for teens, or I guess tweens, between 12 and 14. John said it is indeed on every ship across the fleet. So if you have a 12 to 14-year-old and they want a place to go hang out with their age group, it is on every boat, so they're not going to be following you around like zombies going, Mom, Dad, what are we doing next? They can go hang out with their friends. This one, they want to know if the family harbor rooms have priority boarding like the suites, because they are bigger rooms and it's in its own section. So I was actually curious when I read this, because I don't know if they cost more, but they are bigger rooms. And he said, no, they're not. So if you wanted priority to get into those rooms, you do have to purchase Faster to the Fun if it's available in your port. So Family Harbor, not priority. Can you get on early? Absolutely. They offer Faster to the Fun for I won't say everybody on the cruise. It's limited. If you want to get on the cruise early with all the Faster to the Fun benefits, definitely book that well in advance. They sell out quickly. This one, which I thought was actually a great question, and I was very curious myself. This person is turning 21 mid-cruise. So they wanted to know, does the card automatically say, yes, I can get a drink? Do they have to go to guest services and say, hey, look, I'm 21 now. I can get drinks. Please give me my drinks. Give me my drinks. Give me my drinks. That would probably be me if I was on the cruise and turned 21. So he said, no. There's nothing that needs to be done. When you turn 21, it will automatically know the day that you turn 21, and then you can go get yourself an alcoholic beverage. So I thought that was actually pretty cool. So that was episode 68 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.